Hey there, future stock traders! Welcome to an exhilarating journey where the world of finance meets endless opportunities. Jim Cramer here, and I'm pumped. You're here. The stock market is a dynamic place, and I'm thrilled to help you navigate it. You're about to unlock a world of possibilities in the stock market. Imagine having the key to financial independence and growth. We're going to break down stock trading into simple steps. From understanding market trends to making your first trade, we've got you covered. Get ready to learn and make smart investment choices. It's all about being informed and making decisions that align with your financial goals. You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to succeed. With the right resources and guidance, anyone can become proficient in stock trading. With the right knowledge, you can start trading with confidence. We'll provide you with the tools and insights to make informed decisions. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your journey from novice to expert starts here, and it's filled with learning and growth. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Whether you're placing your first trade or refining your strategy, our support is unwavering. Let's get started on your exciting journey to financial freedom. The path ahead is bright, and your potential is limitless. Welcome aboard. Stock trading is like buying and selling pieces of big companies. Imagine owning a small part of your favorite tech giant or a popular retail brand. These pieces are called stocks. Each stock represents a fraction of ownership in a company, giving you a stake in its success. When you buy a stock, you own a tiny part of that company. This means you share in its profits and losses, and you have a say in some of its decisions. Stock prices go up and down every day. These fluctuations are influenced by various factors like company performance, market trends, and global events. Trading means buying low and selling high to make money. Pretty cool, right? Successful traders analyze market conditions and company data to make informed decisions. It's like a giant game of buy low, sell high, but instead of toys, you're dealing with real companies. The stock market can be thrilling and rewarding, but it also requires knowledge, strategy, and a bit of luck. Why are we so excited about stocks? Because they can help you grow your money faster than a traditional savings account. It's like giving your money a chance to work for you. Imagine your money growing while you sleep, work, or even relax on a beach. That's the power of investing in stocks. But remember, investing always comes with risks. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Section 4. Your roadmap to stock trading. Ready to jump in? Let's dive into the exciting world of stock trading, where opportunities and challenges await at every turn. Here's your step-by-step guide to get started. A comprehensive roadmap designed to help you navigate the complexities of the stock market with confidence. 1. Think of it like learning the rules of a game. Just as you wouldn't play a sport without understanding its rules, you shouldn't start trading without grasping the basics. Understanding how the stock market works is crucial before you start trading. This includes knowing how stocks are bought and sold, what factors influence stock prices, and the different types of stocks available. 2. A brokerage is like your online store for stocks. It's the platform where you'll buy and sell your stocks, so choosing the right one is essential. Choose a reliable one with a user-friendly platform. Look for features like low fees, good customer service, and educational resources to help you learn as you go. 3. Decide how much money you're comfortable trading with. This is your trading budget, and it's important to set limits to avoid financial strain. Remember, start small and never invest more than you can afford to lose. This way, you can learn without risking your financial stability. 4. Research and select companies you believe in. This means looking into their financial health, market position, and growth potential. Think about their products, services, and future potential. Are they innovative? Do they have a strong market presence? These factors can influence their stock performance. 5. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key to managing risk in stock trading. Spread your investments across different stocks to reduce risk. This way, if one stock performs poorly, others may perform well, balancing your overall portfolio. 6. Begin with a demo account or small investments to get comfortable with the process. This allows you to practice trading without risking real money, helping you build confidence and refine your strategies. Remember, stock trading is a journey, not a sprint. Take your time, keep learning, and stay patient. With dedication and the right approach, you can navigate the stock market successfully. Section 5. Tips for trading success. Here are some insider tips to boost your trading game. 1. The market is always changing, so stay updated on trends and news. Knowledge is power. 2. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't expect to get rich quick. Patience and discipline are key. 3. Never invest money you need for essential expenses. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Section 6. Never stop learning. Congrats on taking your first steps into the world of stock trading. Remember, this is just the beginning. Keep learning, stay curious, and don't be afraid to ask questions. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become as a trader. Section 7. Stay connected with Invest IQ. Want to learn more and become a stock market pro? Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Invest IQ for more awesome investing tips.